Today in the grain market, soybeans dropped 15 cents. The market is really starting to get some pressure here that U.S.-China tensions are weighing heavy on the futures. Palm oil hit a 10-month low. That's also adding some pressure to the market. We thought that maybe that there would be a little bit of support coming in, but that didn't quite happen right now. And it seems that we don't really have much anything positive after that. 20% planting, and now we're going to start looking at weather going forward, but still keeping our eye on the U.S.-China talk. I mean, there's some real worries that the tension could lead to some real jeopardy of the phase one trade deal, and that would definitely add pressure to soybeans firstly, and then corn next. Now, corn was lower as well today, down about a nickel. 50% planting is done already. That means that the projected carryout's going to look at 3 billion bushels. That's going to be very heavy without having any kind of exports really in line right now. Managed money is holding some big shorts for corn and wheat right now. That's also adding some pressure as the market's really racing for that $3 mark, just the way beans are heading for that $8 mark, and then even wheat going for the $5 mark. So we're going to watch closely. I think that the futures on corn continues to retreat. That's the one we're really watching mostly, and that just is not giving any ground. There just isn't any support coming in. Now, wheat was very volatile today. I think futures did rebound off a new low. It actually rallied up pretty good. Now, the high was 521, the low was 506. So it's really getting, trying to get close to that $5 mark. I think there's been talk that maybe wheat would be fairly priced at the $4.70 range. Well, I mean, the market's kind of on the way there right now. But the reason for the kind of bounce back is in Russia and in Eastern Europe, they did have some rain, so that would put some pressure on the market. But it's very dry for the southern plains, and that possibly can create some issues for wheat, and that kind of was picking it back up, and that's why we see this little bit of a bounce. There hasn't been any real effect from the outside market. The stock market was down 200 plus points, but not really adding that much pressure onto the grain market at this time.